good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 8 from verse 1 to verse 11. Jesus and the woman will get catch with man we know her husband. But Jesus never go a film yard, him go up a Mount Olive. Early the nether morning, him go back at the yard where God house there. When he reach there, whole heap of people bung around him and him sit down and start teach them. Now, the law teacher them and the Pharisee them carry in one woman where them catch her sleep with one man where know her husband. And then make her turn up in front of the crowd of people. Hear them to Jesus. Teacher, that woman ya get catch her sleep with man where know her husband. In the law, Moses tell we say, we fit stone woman like a this ya. So, where you say now? Them ask him that day, cause them did want to trick him so that they could have sin to lock him up for. Jesus bend down and start writing at the ground with him finger. But when they keep on a push him to answer them, him turn up straight and said to them, say, any one of you we never seen yet, fling the first stone off her. Then him bend down one next time and start right in the ground. When them hear what Jesus say, them left go one after the other. The oldest one them go first, and them go on left till a Jesus one did turn up there with the woman. Jesus get up and said to her, say, lady, where them there? Nobody never say you fit dead sake of what you do. No even a soul, sir, she say. Then me not go say you fit dead sake of what you do neither. Jesus said to her, go on now, and no sin no more. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.